This video was produced by Mercedes Benz, Certified Technology Lucas. This channel mainly introduces the methods of Mercedes Benz repair and programming. Replace the instrument control unit of W164. Establish vehicle connections. Select F2. Select F2. For a quick test, select F3. Read the information of the control unit. Select the instrument control unit. There is a driving authorization fault in the instrument control unit. The fault currently exists. The fault currently exists. Exit the diagnostic software. Open the DTS Engineer software. Select to open the workspace. Select Model 164. Select Advanced Functions. Select the IC164 Instrument Control Unit. Search for driving authorization commands. Carry out driving authorization learning. Restart the control unit. Read the fault code of the instrument control unit. The fault code does not currently exist. Clear the fault code. The clearance was successful. The fault-free code matching was completed.